Blending multiple photos together can turn ordinary pictures into creative and artistic compositions. With the right photo blender, you can combine portraits, landscapes, textures, and other images to create beautiful double exposure effects and unique visual designs. In this video, we'll explore some of the best photo blender and mixer apps for Android that offer useful blending tools and an easy editing experience. Let's get started. Photo Mixer Photo Blender. Photo Mixer Photo Blender is an Android photo editing application designed to combine two or more images into a single creative composition. Its main purpose is to create blended photos, allowing users to merge different pictures and produce effects that would be difficult to achieve with a standard gallery editor. It can be useful for creating artistic portraits, travel compositions, collages, and creative social media images. The app provides blending tools that allow users to control how one image appears over another. By adjusting transparency or applying different blending effects, users can create smooth transitions between photos instead of simply placing one picture on top of another. This makes it possible to experiment with double exposure style compositions and artistic overlays. Users can also customize their projects by cropping, rotating, resizing, and positioning images before combining them. Additional editing controls can help improve the final result by adjusting the appearance of the individual photos. The simple workflow makes it accessible even for users who are new to photo blending and double exposure editing. Overall, Photo Mixer Photo Blender is a practical choice for Android users who want an easy way to combine multiple images into creative compositions. Its blending controls, basic editing tools, and straightforward interface make it suitable for creating unique photos for personal projects or social media. Ultimate Photo Blender Mixer. Ultimate Photo Blender Mixer is a creative photo editing app for Android that focuses on merging multiple images into one visually interesting composition. It is designed for users who want to experiment with photo blending, overlays, and double exposure effects without needing advanced desktop editing software. One of its main features is the ability to select photos and combine them using different blending techniques. Users can adjust transparency and positioning to determine how strongly each image appears in the final composition. This can create artistic effects where two completely different photographs appear to become part of the same image. The application can also provide basic editing options that help users prepare their photos before blending. Cropping, rotating, resizing, and other adjustments can make it easier to align images properly. Users can experiment with different combinations of portraits, landscapes, textures, and abstract images to create distinctive results. With its emphasis on creative experimentation, Ultimate Photo Blender Mixer is a good option for users who enjoy making artistic photo compositions. Its combination of blending effects, image adjustments, and accessible controls makes it useful for creating double exposures, overlays, and other unique visual effects on Android. Multiple Photo Double Exposure. Multiple Photo Double Exposure is an Android photo editor focused on creating double exposure effects by combining multiple images. Rather than keeping each photograph separate, the app allows users to merge different visual elements into a single composition. This can produce artistic results by combining portraits with landscapes, buildings, nature, textures, or other photographs. The application is particularly useful for creating layered compositions because users can select more than one image for their project. Transparency and blending adjustments help control how much of each photograph remains visible. By experimenting with different opacity levels and image arrangements, users can create anything from subtle overlays to dramatic double exposure artwork. Basic editing tools can also help users prepare images before combining them. Cropping, rotating, scaling, and repositioning photos can make the different layers fit together more naturally. This gives users more control over the final composition and makes it easier to create a balanced image. Multiple Photo Double Exposure is therefore a strong choice for Android users who want to experiment with multi-layered photography. Its focus on combining several images and creating double exposure effects makes it especially interesting for creative projects, portraits, and artistic social media content. Blend Photo Editor. Blend Photo Editor is an Android application designed to help users combine photographs and create attractive blended compositions. It provides a simple approach to image mixing, making it possible to merge different pictures without requiring advanced knowledge of professional photo editing software. The app allows users to select images and combine them using blending or overlay effects. Adjusting transparency can help create a smooth relationship between the photos, while positioning and resizing controls allow users to determine exactly how the images appear within the composition. These features can be used to create double exposure effects, artistic portraits, and creative backgrounds. Users can also make basic adjustments to their photos before applying the blending effects. Cropping, rotating, and resizing can help prepare each image and make the final composition look more balanced. Experimenting with different photographs and blending intensities can produce a wide variety of visual styles. With its accessible controls and creative blending functionality, Blend Photo Editor is a useful choice for Android users who want to create artistic photo combinations. It is particularly suitable for casual editing, social media content, and anyone who enjoys experimenting with layered photography. Photo Overlays Blender. Photo Overlays Blender is a creative Android photo editor focused on combining images through overlays and blending effects. It allows users to place one photograph over another and add just the appearance of the layers to create unique visual compositions. This makes it useful for producing double exposures, artistic portraits, textured backgrounds, and other creative photography effects. One of the key features is the ability to control the visibility of different image layers. By adjusting opacity, users can make an overlay subtle or more prominent depending on the desired effect. Combining portraits with landscapes, skies, textures, or abstract images can create interesting results that would otherwise require more advanced editing techniques. The app can also provide basic image adjustment tools that help users position and prepare their photos. Cropping, resizing, rotating, and other simple controls can be useful for aligning the images correctly before applying the overlay. This gives users greater flexibility when experimenting with different compositions and visual styles. Overall, Photo Overlays Blender is a good option for Android users who enjoy creative photo manipulation. Its focus on overlays, transparency, and image blending makes it especially suitable for creating artistic double exposure effects and unique social media content. Those are our picks for the best photo blender and mixer apps for Android. Each app offers creative tools for combining images, adjusting overlays, and creating unique double exposure effects from your photos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android app recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.